What's going on? It's your boy Bert Collins back with another video, back with another banger, another unboxing. Please run it up, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. It's been a minute since I dropped a video, but I got a good one, man. We got Palominos on deck. I'm excited to get into these because they've been sitting in my room for about 5 days. 2 pairs of Palominos. We doubled up. 2 retail pairs. I'm getting straight into the box. I don't got all day. I'm trying to hop back on the sticks. Well, we got 2 pair of Palominos, both from the Nike's app, sneakers app. I hit, and then my girl's account hit. So I just say, you know what? I'm gonna snatch them both and see what's up, man. So we got Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG size 10 color. Black metallic gold Palomino. Black box, something different, man. I'm happy to see something different with the metallic gold Nike. You know what I'm saying? Super clean box though. It's nice to see something different. Inside the box, you know, you got your stamps and your Nike sign and your swoosh. Just open up the box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, I've been waiting for a shoe like this to drop. Obviously since the Mocha drop. And I've been buying every brown shoe I could get to try to supplement for something like this. Air Jordan 1 Palomino. This is clean, bro. This is clean. Now the black leather, nothing crazy. That's suede. I don't even know if you can see it. Man, that's suede. Clean shoe. Clean shoe. I like this shoe for a couple different reasons. My favorite shoe is the bread one, and I don't have a bread one. And this just gives me that essence of a bread one, but obviously the colorway is a little different. And then the Mocha. I never got my hands on the Mocha. So to have this brown shoe doesn't make up for not having the Mocha, but like now I don't have to go and buy the Mocha for resale or anything like that. This is clean, well constructed. Like I said, man, the leather's nothing crazy, but it's not like bad leather. It's actually, I mean, you know, it's cool. It's clean. Look at this shoe. You got the gold Nike Air. I mean, I'm sure everybody's already seen this shoe. Like, you got the gold Nike Air on the tongue. What else, man? You got the gold Nike Air on the inside. I mean, what do you think? This looks a little sale, right? Is this sale? Is there sale on the colorway? This doesn't look white. It looks more sale. More sale. Let me see. Do I? There ain't no spare laces? No spare laces, huh? No shoe tree. They just hit you with the paper. Woo! Oh, good. Now, this is a clean shoe, though. Super duper clean shoe. It'd be nice if they gave you just another lace though. I don't know what lace, but just, you know. What y'all think, man? Get down in the comments. I want to open up this other box real quick, just to see the quality control on it real quick. Just real quick, don't click off the video, man. Just watch the whole video for me, man. And tell a friend or tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Don't click off the video, bro. I got 2 pairs. You know what I'm saying? Another size 10. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even gotta get into the particulars. I just want to see the quality control. Are all Palominos made the same? The pair that my girl got, it took them 4 extra days. 4 days longer to ship the shoe. These are clean, man. This one, I mean, if I was gonna sell a pair, this would be the pair I sold. Yeah, this would be the one. Cause it just looks a little bit more scratched. I don't know if you can even see it in the camera. It looks a little bit more scratched. I don't know. I don't want to get the shoes confused. So I'm gonna grab one from there. I mean, two pairs. No, here you are. 2 pairs of Palominos, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. I might keep them both, honestly. I don't know. I don't even know what, like, numbers are doing. I'm sure they're not doing nothing crazy, but I like the shoe. Palominos are dope. Maybe I'll do a on foot in a couple days or something like that. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button. Run it up. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So, peace. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out.